Standardization is hard, and the more stovepipe architectures you have, the more data silos you have, the more complex that becomes, the more costly. And to the point where we've figured out, now that AI is such a big deal, industrial AI, we've figured out that our OT data foundations are really shaky.
Yeah. Great point.
And so, all of a sudden, AI is exposing that, but also providing the justification to say, hey, we got to address this. And so the confluence of this notion of a common API with the basic primitives for virtually any kind of manufacturing platform that allows every platform to interoperate, avoid the complexity of the costly, brittle integrations that are always going to be there, at least historically, the integration with SAP or Maximo with scheduling systems. All of these pieces are dramatically simplified if we can get vendor adoption of this really crucial, thin but crucial layer of interoperability of a specification.